This black Silverado didn't just refuse to stop. It turned on hazard lights and pretended to comply while flying past multiple safe pull-off spots. When the trooper finally moved in for a TVI, the driver brake-checked him, causing a collision between two vehicles.
We took the 8, turned left, ran the stop sign, we're still going. Him, he brake checked me. He's off in a field. Bradford Road, we're off in the grass. Let me see your fucking hands! Get on the ground! Right now! Get on the ground! Felony takedown. Is there anybody else in that vehicle?
No, I don't know.
Listen. Just put your hands behind your back. Just put your hands behind your back and don't move. You understand? Put your face down in the ground. Okay.
I got it.
Got it?
Anybody else in the truck?
Why did you not stop?
I wasn't driving. I don't know him.
He ran off?
Yes.
Where'd he run at?
I don't know. He ran straight. He jumped the gate.
You don't know
Jump the
who
gate?
he is?
I don't know him at all.
What's he look like? Black male, white male?
He's black.
Black male running, jump the gate. I got the passenger 1015.
When a heavy-duty truck refused to stop, Arkansas State Police and North Little Rock PD teamed up to bring it down. The chase barreled through traffic, with officers working fast to keep things under control, while the truck driver showed zero intention of stopping.
Coming up the pike, you just turn north. Still dragging something. West on 19. Across the park around the stop sign, 46 miles an hour, no traffic. Franklin. Still no traffic. Short 7. No traffic. Hey, stay behind us now. Come south on Franklin, start inside. He's continuing flowing. Stop sign. Stay bike. There's a car up there. I gotta be able to bike as well. West on 15th, approaching Augusta. These are 65, no traffic. West on Crutcher. Yeah, you can tell it's stick by. He's right behind us. Okay, 34 to the log. I'm right behind over the rock. You know, we get caught up. We're eastbound on 13th, just past Park. 49 miles an hour, no traffic. Hey, state's coming up to you. Let him by. Stay his third. Let him by. Stay past me. Stay found number 2.
58 Little Rock, I'm primary. It's going to be a white 1-ton dually, single cab, business tags. We're going to be west on 11th Street, no traffic, speed's 55 miles an hour. He's dragging some metal, throwing sparks.
Might want to try to get some bikes out of there.
South on Park Drive. We're going to be going back east on West 10th Street.
32 to 58. I'm your Pike in 12.
Coming back east on 13th Street.
He's over.
North on Frank Street.
Welcome, sir.
On Franklin up to
56, stay up there ahead of him. See if you can get the spikes out. I don't need a bunch of units in the pursuit. Everybody else stay support row. 32 on off. I'm going to be secondary. I'll follow. We're north on Franklin from 15. We had 1 stub TBI. North on Franklin. Fail TBI. East on 17, coming back out the Pike.
58 Little Rock, I've got a flat. I'm at 1022 here at the 𝗙𝗶𝗿 on Pike.
834 Little Rock, I'm getting back on 1022 here at the 𝗙𝗶𝗿 on Pike. 834 Little Rock, I'm getting back on JFK.
32 Little Rock, I'm primary. Come on.
Approaching the railroad crossing.
He just ran my unit.
Where are you?